So Scan Pro Video are back at Kit Plus 2019 with our partners Blackmagic Design and Nvidia, showcasing the capabilities of GPU accelerated workflows. We're featuring the Nvidia Quadro RTX 5000s in our 3XS systems, perfectly spec'd for the most demanding of workflows, such as 4K to 8K.
It's great to be back here at Media City. Today we're down here with PMI Nvidia. We're accelerating the media and entertainment workflows from Adobe, Blackmagic, Resolve, 3ds Max, these kind of applications. We're also here talking about anything to do with AI, AI-related workflows as well, which is becoming more and more integrated into media and entertainment workflows. So super slow-mos, frame integration, these kind of things. So yeah, it's all part and parcel of the new RTX family of Quadros.
We've got our other partners Unitech on stand today, so we're showcasing their latest range of stabilisation. We've got the Crane 3, which is holding the Blackmagic 6K pocket camera, really popular, a lot of people getting hands-on with that piece of kit today. We've had great engagement on the stand this year with Pro Video. We've also had our AI team from Scan with us this year at Kit Plus. They've been showcasing their DJX workstations that specialise in large data, deep learning and AI capabilities.
So today I'm here as part of the AI team, joining the Pro Video team at Kit Plus. For me, it's more about engaging with the clients. We have a few workloads that we've already identified within the media and entertainment sector. We're working with the clients and engaging with the people here today just to discuss exactly what they're doing with AI within their workflows and how we can help accelerate that from an AI perspective.
So we're here to show the core range for video broadcast side. One very popular product and the rugged SSD. First time we're showing it in the UK. First event, been announced at IBC, coming soon. And then you have the rest of our range with the D2 Copilot, still very popular, and up to the 6 gig.
The show's been fantastic this year. I'd say it's been the busiest yet. There's some amazing talks going on and seminars that have been put on by Kit Plus this year, really educating the industry in the advancements in technology.
It's been good. It's always a good, I believe that's the 4th, 5th time that we're here. Always a good venue and busy. So.
The show's great. The show's always really good. It's nice to always be part of the community. The venue's always super great. It's really busy again this year. Great to see some very familiar faces, as we always see. Yeah, it's a brilliant show to be at.